Next question number 12. 10 and 11 do it as homework. Question number 12. Find the sum of first 40 positive integers. So you have to find out first 40 integers, right? So n is equal to, you can take it as 40. As 40 you have to calculate sum of 40 integers. And it is divisible by 6. That means you have to write down the AP here. AP is not given, but that AP should be divisible by 6. That means we have to write the multiplication table of 6. So you can write positive integers that are divisible by 6 are 6, 12. I am writing multiplication table of 6, 18, 24 and continuing like this. Now you can write A is equal to first term 6, D is equal to second term minus first term. 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. Now you got A is equal to 6, D is equal to 6. We have to calculate Sn. What is the equation for finding Sn? N by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. What is n here? We have to calculate S40, sum of 40 terms. So S40 is equal to n by 2. 40 divided by 2 into 2A. What is A? 6. 2 into 6 plus n minus 1. 40 minus 1 into D. 6. Okay. So 40 divided by 2, 20 into 2 into 6, 12 plus 40 minus 1 is equal to 39. 39 into this 6 you will get 234. So 20 into 234 plus 12 you will get 246. Final answer is equal to 4920. This is the sum of first 40 terms and all these terms. This is the required AP that you have to form from the question. Okay. Next question number 13. Do it as homework. Same method you can apply. Next I am going to explain question number 14. Find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. So you have to find out the AP just like this. So odd number means starting with 1 and continuing 1, 3, 5, 7 like this, correct? So in between 0 and 59 we can write the odd number series 1, 3, 5, 7 and till 49. 51 we cannot write because it should in between 0 and 50. So last number is 49. So you can write A is equal to what? 1 first term. D is equal to second term minus first term. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. What is this? This is the last term. That means AN. Correct? AN is equal to L is equal to 49. Now you have AN. So you can apply second equation. What is the equation for finding Sn? Sn is equal to, you have to find out first n. Then only we can apply this equation. So AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Correct? So AN we have the value 49 here. 49 is equal to A. 1 plus n we don't know. So I am writing n minus 1 into D is equal to 2. So this one I am taking here. 49 minus 1 is equal to 48 is equal to 2 into n, 2n minus 2. Again this 2 I am taking here. So 48 plus 2 is equal to 50 is equal to 2n. So we will get n is equal to 50 divided by 2 is equal to 25. Now you got A is equal to 1, D is equal to 2, L is equal to 49 and A is equal to 29. Next I am going to apply equation Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. What is n here? N is equal to 25. So S25 is equal to n by 2. That is 25 divided by 2 into what is A? A is equal to 1. 1 plus L. L is equal to AN is equal to 49. So 25 divided by 2 into 49 plus 1 is equal to 50. Cancelling these two numbers, we got it as 25. So 25 into 25 is equal to 625. So S25 you got it as 625. Okay. So do the exercise till question number 14. Rest of the question is application level only and day life application level question. Now, as per your syllabus, those questions are removed from your syllabus. Okay, so study till the 14th questions from this exercise. Thank you.